What's up, everybody? Elsie Gaming here, back with another video. Today we're going to be playing a new game. No, I'm going to flip and turn that down. Actually, I can't. We're going to be playing some Teardown. This is actually a new game on the channel. Never really featured it. We might do a story mode on this game, but that's probably not going to happen because this game is very hard. Very hard. To me, at least. But we're going to be messing around with a couple mods. I actually have a couple ones. Actually, no, I only have one installed that I actually legitimately got, and I have a jetpack in slow motion. I don't even know what this is. It doesn't really work because I don't know how to use it. Press line. I don't know if that's one or I, like capital I. But we're gonna be jumping into sandbox, and I'll kind of explain to you how it works here. So let me just load in, and I have my computer on low graphics. Yeah, you can see it's kind of low. I could definitely. You can already see this. It's usually super smooth, but I can turn it up. Let me just do that. Let me just go to settings here. Tornado options. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be messing with. Go to options. Let's flip and turn this stuff up to medium. So it's at least a little better. There we go. Okay, I don't really even see any improvement, but this is the game. You can flip it. It's kind of like Minecraft, but on a whole different level. So let's get up on this thing here. Yeah, see, I'm a master jetpacker. Okay, so we're gonna land here. I'm gonna flip and shotgun the flip out of this tree. Let's catch nitro glitter. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know if that's how you say it. Let's see if I can hit. Actually, no, let's hit this thing over here, all the way over there. I know, actually, that's too. It's too low. Let's go. Oh, it's going. It's going. Oh, we got it. Look at that. Flip and hit that structure right there. That's what we all wanted. But honestly, you guys, you're flip, stop. Why is it moving? Oh, flip. Okay. Needs to stop doing that. We're gonna go to tornado options, and I was messing around with a couple stuff here. So let's go to pull radius. Let's turn this stuff down because it gets flipping messed up. Boom, boom. Let's spawn this stuff. Okay, let's flip and go to weather. Let's turn that to daytime. I know it's unrealistic, but you can at least see the tornado. That stuff. And it does suck in debris. If I were to turn this up, it would definitely suck in some debris. I don't know how I took damage, but put it to 17. Let's put it to not pull. So here we go. It's about to suck up some stuff here. Pull that up. There it goes. Woo! Look at that. That is so cool. It's moving. Actually, let's jump in a vehicle. Get over here. Whoa. Get in here. Boom. MLG vehicle. Flipping this right. Ah. Oh, flipping right. Woo! Going over the water. Can jump into this. Go in the center. We're coming. Woo! Oh, flip. I went under the map. That's not good. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's just restart this stuff. I would have cut the video here, but obviously you see, come on. Okay, there we go. We gotta do this all again, but it's not really a problem. I do this all the time. Boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go. Boom. Let's restart this stuff. Boom. Go. Let's make it realistic mode. Wow, that looks so cool. Jump into a car. Let's jump into this one this time. Let's go. I can go in the first person. Get in there. Yeah. Oh, that's flipping messed up. Okay. I think it's on nighttime, so let's just go to the. There we go. Wow, look at that stuff. Oh! Okay, let's actually make it suck in some stuff. It's probably gonna get a little laggy, but let's turn it to like 24. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, why aren't you sucking in stuff? Oh, there it goes. You can see up the tornado. That's so cool. Driving into this stuff. I don't think this setting pulls in like heavy stuff. Like, oh, it definitely turns me over. Ah! Oh, flipping blew my thing. Okay, let's turn on. There we go. So now I'll pull flip. No. Okay. There we go. Whoa! It's shaking for a reason. Yeah. There we go. Wait, I have an idea. Okay, whatever. Let's set it to like maximum speed and follow. Like it will follow me. Oh, it's coming. Oh, it's coming fast. Oh, flip. We gotta get out of here. Let's flip and go. Let's get in like a structure into this thing. Hide. That's usually what you do from a tornado. You're supposed to get in the basement. If any of you don't know, which every single person knows, I've seen a couple tornadoes before, which is kind of cool, I guess. I've seen 4, I think. Yeah, 4. I've seen like one confirmed one that actually like touched the ground, did damage, and I've seen a couple like little spin ups on the ground and one water spout, which they're all considered tornadoes. Let me turn this stuff down. There we go. Oh, it goes in the weekend. You can see that up there. Oh, flip. Oh, flip. Flip. Woo! It's sucking up the roof. I'm gonna jump into this tornado. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Oh flip. Okay, this is. Okay. Oh yes. Escape. 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 No, it's coming. It's just gonna stay on me, so I gotta flipping zoom. Oh yeah. Okay, we're out. Oh wow. Yeah. So that's so cool. Pretty sure if you throw like a bomb into it, oh watch it. It's gonna like. Like it gets sucked into the tornado. It's like a fire tornado now. A little bit. See all those bombs? That's how fast I'm clicking. Oh my god. Watch this. It'll like curve into it. Oh my god. Oh, it's coming. Let's like knock down the trees for the tornado so I can like suck it in. Oh! Run, just run. Run. Bus. Or, a bus? Yeah, that's a bus, everybody. It's coming. It's so laggy. Fucking spam this stuff like it's gonna make it any better. Fire tornado. Wait, let's get into the flipping. Oh no, it's coming. Shotgun, shotgun. I call shotgun. Let's go get in here. Oh, we're safe now. We're safe from everything. Oh, it's gonna suck me in. Oh, it's. Oh no. Maybe that'll help. Yep, that definitely helped. Yep. Let's get out of here. Run. Oh! We can also mess with how big you want it to be. Like also let me just like despawn this stuff. Let's just restart so we have a fresh map. We can also like mess with how big you want it, which you don't want to do because even with a good computer like this, 60 frames is decent. I don't know if that's top notch. I don't pay attention to that stuff. But we can also go like this. Like I'm gonna put everything down like pull radius, which is like how like far it pulls things in from. Now let's just turn down. Actually, no, let's put this stuff up. So if we were to spawn in this, here we go. So let's go to change weather. Let's get it like that. You can already see I turn up the max radius, which increases how far the cloud goes out. It already. Oh yeah, I forgot this is on. Let's just put it to nothing and free roam, and that's not going to do anything though. That's what that looks like, and it's obviously quite short, so you can also do this like this. Put this like the max radius back down like whatever, and then flip and increase that. That makes the tornado super like tall. This is very very cool. And also, oh flip! I don't want to press that button. Oh flip! That's gonna Oh, what is happening? Okay, let's put that over there. But we can also increase the maximum size everybody's probably waiting for. And if you even increase it by 1, it's, oh my, oh god. It's already giant. Oh, I'm not making an edge of it. What? Okay, let me just get, oh, I forgot the controls. Flip. You can already see, oh, you can't even see the flipping thing. Like, what is this? I can't control my, oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. Okay, so here we go. That's 4 or whatever I set it to. 7, like, oh my. Oh, and so you can already see the frame rate drop. Oh god. Gosh, yes. And if you, I also noticed a bug if you, stop it, frame rate. You. Alright, that's all gone. Yes. Finally. And then it emerges a skinny rope. Okay, and moving on, if we increase the max radius and decrease the height by a lot, it's gonna. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh flip. It creates this. This is not the tornado. Like up here, like all this like cloud like spinning around it isn't the tornado. The tornado's right here. It's like a little like thing. And then when you do this, then it's just something. There's no more anything. There's no more life. There's no more. It's just dust. There we go. See? You come up here. Like it's just like a hurricane. You can only see the towers. And those things are going to be coming up in another video. We're going to land here. Yep, into the middle of the tornado. Let's flipping end this thing. Then we're going to go like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait, let's flip and wait for it. Yeah, let's do this stuff. Yeah.